Why use definite main? I've seen some code samples and tutorials that use. But why? Is there any reason not to define your functions at the top of the file, then just write code under it? I.e., I just wonder if there is any rhyme to the main.
Without the main sentinel, the code would be executed even if the script were imported as a module.
Consider the second script. If you import it in another one, the instructions, as at global level, will be executed.
If the content of foo.py. A file foo.py can be used in two ways. Imported in another file, import foo. In this case __name __ is foo, the code section does not get executed and does not print xxxx. Executed directly, Python foo.py. When it is executed directly, __name __ is same as __ main __ and the code in that section is executed and prints xxxx. One of the use of this functionality to write various kind of unit tests within the same module.
What does if __name __ main column do, has already been answered. Having a main function allows you to call its functionality if you import the module. The main, no pun intended, benefit of this, imho, is that you can unit test it.
Before I sort it out, these are writing with 7.